Develop Project Management Plan. Develop Project Management Plan is the process of defining, preparing, and coordinating all subsidiary plans and integrating them into a comprehensive project management plan. The key benefits of this process is a central document that defines the basis of all project work. The project management plan is started after the project charter is approved and continues throughout the planning process. Think about the project management plan as the master plan for the project. It comprises all the other subsidiary management plans, the project baselines, and additional components that are used to execute, monitor, control, and close the project. The PMBOK guide identifies the following inputs, tools and techniques, and outputs for this process. In the next screen, we will discuss these inputs in more detail. The project team uses the project charter as a starting point for initial project planning. Most of the subsidiary management plans come from the other planning processes, the exceptions being the change management plan and the configuration management plan. The enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets can also influence the developed project management plan process. Next, we will discuss the tools and techniques used in this process. Expert judgment is needed to determine how the components and the details should work within the project management plan for your project. Data gathering techniques such as brainstorming, checklists, focus groups, interviews are also used in this process. Interpersonal and team skills are essential soft skills required for conflict management, facilitation, and meeting management. Meetings are used to discuss the project approach, determine how work will be executed to accomplish the project objectives, and establish the way the project will be monitored and controlled. Next, we will discuss the outputs of this process. The project management plan is an input to all the initial planning processes in each knowledge area. Updates to the project plan are an output from many of the planning processes. In other words, it is an iterative process. Consider that the framework or a template for the project management plan is an input to the initial planning processes in each knowledge area. The template would have a placeholder for each subsidiary management plan, such as the scope management plan, schedule management plan, and so on. After these subsidiary management plans are created, they update the project management plan by being incorporated as part of the plan.